Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. Here is Alexis Christoforous.
All right, we're going to do a little donuts and pizza because I figure, how can you go wrong with that combo? Let's start with Krispy Kreme, up 25% today. Krispy Kreme stock before today had lost roughly half its value over the past year, so they sort of need this. So Krispy Kreme out with earnings. It said margins improved during the fourth quarter due to operational improvements. The company added about 1,100 high traffic locations last year, and it got out of those underperforming stores. And get this, AI is actually part of the story at Krispy Kreme.
Of course it is.
You know, right? So they said, look, it's not a major factor in their day-to-day production, but it is being used in back office functions like demand planning and route management.
Interesting.
Now, they're also trying to meet the consumer where they're at. Krispy Kreme has introduced smaller portion options. So they've got these bite-sized mini donuts. They plan to launch a line of mini cake donuts later this year. Awesome. But you know what I noticed just anecdotally is they really engage well with their younger audience. They're on social media. They've got this loyalty program.
Okay.
And consumers under 35 represent more than half of the business at Krispy Kreme.
Wow.
I love that stat.
Yesterday, I had about half hour to kill before dinner. I said, I'll just stop. I'll go find a Starbucks and go get a cup of coffee. Couldn't find one.
No.
And I walked like 10 blocks, but I saw like 20 Dunkin' Donuts in that time frame.
Yeah.
So you know what I did? I just went into a bar.
I'm
As
shocked.
you would.
Absolutely shocked.
Good for you.
So there you go.
All right, pizza. Papa John's. Sorry,
Yes.
Papa John's.
You're getting all the food groups today.
I'm trying. Yes, all the healthy food groups. So Papa John's is down 4%. Here in the pre-market, year to date off 12%. I checked it out. Market cap of 1.1 billion here. Customers are cutting back their orders. They saw sales shrink more than expected. The pizza chain's outlook for the year also trailed estimates, and that all important metric, same store sales, down nearly 5.5% in the fourth quarter. And it wasn't just the restaurant chain's own stores, also franchised locations. So remember earlier this week we talked about Domino's Pizza.
Yep.
Just the other day, very different story.
She's hitting all those food
Yes.
groups.
I'm hitting them all. Gaining market share, stronger same-store sales. It's stuffed crust pizza. I guess there's something about it. I don't eat it, so I wouldn't know.
Okay, very good.
All right. And then let's do a little tech, because I think we're over food now. Nutanix up 12%. Advanced Micro Devices is going to buy $150 million in Nutanix stock. It's part of a new partnership that also includes joint engineering and sales efforts. So AMD has really been on a tear this week. It entered that big deal with Meta. Meta's going to be buying a lot of AI chips from AMD. So we've got AMD stock, though, is a little bit lower today, down about 1%. But Nutanix, on a tear, up 12%, down about 26% year to date. So this is a really nice pop for investors in Nutanix today.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.